How's it going, YouTube? Before you watch this air show video, I just want to give you a quick insight into who I am. My name is Simon Ditsworth. I don't make videos very often on here, but when I do, I like to make good ones, so I hope this is good. But really quickly, this is, pretty much to provide motivation for people, like if you want to become a pilot or go into the military. I hope this video gives you motivation to keep pursuing that. That is my goal. I want to fly for the Marines and eventually become a Blue Angel. But just really quickly, just be yourself. Don't worry about what others are thinking, and go about your everyday. Get your work done and figure out what you need to do to get to where you want. Thank you for watching, and please enjoy. Also, another thing really quick, I am applying for the NROTC scholarship as well as for the Naval Academy. I applied this year. I'm a senior in high school right now. I don't know where I'm going to go yet, but wherever I go, I plan on making videos about my experiences in college and in ROTC. I plan on joining NROTC if I go to a regular college, and I plan on doing some sort of video recording of my experiences there and just college life and things like that. Also, after that, my route to becoming a Marine officer and becoming a pilot as well. So stick around for that. It's a long road ahead, but I want to document it and do the best I can with it. So thank you. It's called the T-34. It's what the Navy pilots train on. I'll fly one of these someday. That's so cool. Here with my awesome friend Terry at the Centro air show. I just want to say really quick for those out there who know what they want to do, keep at it every day, work hard, and don't stop until you get what you want. And for those who don't find what you want to do, find something that you're passionate about and just go for it. Don't worry about what others are thinking, and just do your best every